The sun was setting over Kingston, Jamaica, casting long shadows across the vibrant city. Detective Marcus Thompson leaned against the rusty railing of the waterfront promenade, his eyes fixed on the horizon. A cool breeze blew through his short-cropped hair, and he inhaled the salty scent of the Caribbean Sea. As he surveyed the bustling city, his attention was drawn to a small fishing boat approaching the dock. It was an ordinary sight, but something about this boat caught his eye. The vessel was weathered, its paint peeling, and its occupants appeared tense, as if they were carrying a heavy secret. Curiosity ignited within Detective Thompson. He discreetly followed the boat's occupants as they disembarked, disappearing into the labyrinthine streets of Kingston. Marcus had seen his fair share of crime in Jamaica, but this time, he sensed there was something more significant at play. The following morning, Detective Thompson found himself at the Kingston Police Department, poring over the boat's registration records. The vessel's name was Shadow's Curse, an ominous choice that only deepened his suspicion. The boat had recently arrived from a nearby island, where rumors of a notorious drug lord hiding in plain sight had been circulating. As Marcus delved deeper into his investigation, he stumbled upon a connection between the drug lord and a local gang known as the Kingston Shadows. The Shadows operated in the city shadows, conducting their illicit activities under the radar. Their influence was far-reaching, and they had managed to avoid capture for years. Determined to expose the truth, Detective Thompson sought assistance from his trusted partner, Detective Karen Campbell. Together, they delved into the underbelly of Kingston, uncovering a web of corruption, deceit, and murder. They discovered that the Shadows and the drug lord had formed an unholy alliance. The drug lord had been using the Shadows to smuggle drugs and expand his criminal empire. Marcus and Karen knew that dismantling this dangerous collaboration would require precise planning and an unwavering resolve. After weeks of tireless investigation, Marcus and Karen discovered the location of the Shadows' secret hideout. Nestled deep within the hills overlooking Kingston, the dilapidated mansion served as a fortress for their criminal activities. Under the cover of darkness, Marcus, Karen, and a team of highly skilled officers stormed the mansion. A fierce gun battle ensued, punctuated by the sounds of shattering glass and echoing footsteps. The Shadows fought ferociously, but the combined forces of the police were determined to bring them to justice. In the heart-pounding climax, Marcus confronted the drug lord himself, a cunning and ruthless figure known as Miguel the Viper Rodriguez. The two men faced off in a deadly duel, their fates hanging in the balance. In the end, Marcus emerged victorious, apprehending Miguel Rodriguez and dismantling the Kingston Shadows. The city breathed a collective sigh of relief as justice prevailed over the criminal underworld. The case marked a turning point for Marcus Thompson. It reinforced his belief in the power of justice and the importance of never giving up, even when faced with seemingly insurmountable odds. As the sun rose over Kingston, casting its golden rays upon the city, Marcus knew that the Shadows would always exist, but he was determined to ensure they never held sway again.